What if I were to tell you that this repair was done 100% of the way without having to repaint this vehicle, keeping and preserving the original paint finish throughout the entire process, leaving this car in its factory original state? Why is that important? Well, the original paint finish on your vehicle is by far the most important paint finish to keep on the vehicle because it's the most resilient. And nowadays, we can combine these old school body shop techniques with new school paintless dent repair methods that allow us to achieve just amazing things. We're slowly sculpting this metal from the backside and pulling the dents with hot glue to enable us to get this metal back into position the way it was before it was damaged. Now, please bear in mind that these repairs are not a 1 or 2 hour repair. These particular types of repairs, on average, are going to take anywhere from 1 to 2 days in order for us to deliver a very high quality end result. We're now entering the finishing stages of the repair, and you can see in the light reflection that it's becoming more and more visible that this damage is almost completely gone. You can see there are no holes in the door jamb that were drilled to gain access to the dent. We used all factory access to repair this. One last look at the before, and here's the after in the natural reflections, and you can see that this damage is completely gone. No evidence that the dent was there, and this car is back to its pre-loss condition. So if you have damage like this, and you want or have the opportunity to repair your vehicle without changing anything about it, paintless dent repair is the ultimate solution. Give us a call. Thanks for watching.